Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need 3 things right now: an active data/tethering plan, updated OS, and both devices powered. First, confirm your carrier allows personal hotspot and you haven't hit a data cap. That often blocks tethering. Once done, update the phone's software so hotspot protocols and security patches are current. Make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular are enabled, then restart both the phone and the client device. This clears transient network states and surfaces any persistent config issues you'll fix next. Now configure the hotspot itself. Open Hotspot Settings, rename the SSID to a simple string, and set a WPA2 or WPA3 password so devices authenticate reliably. Decide between 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher throughput, and enable USB tethering or Bluetooth PAN as alternatives if Wi-Fi is unstable. On the client device, forget the old network. Then reconnect to force a fresh DHCP lease. Verify it receives an finish by validating connectivity and performance. Load a short video or run a speed test to compare hotspot throughput versus the phone's cellular baseline. That shows whether tethering is limited. If internet fails, toggle mobile data, turn off VPNs or security apps, and try USB tethering to bypass Wi-Fi issues. As a last resort, reset network settings. This clears corrupted profiles. If problems persist, change APN settings per carrier or boot the phone into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with hotspot services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.